In recent years, we've witnessed a groundbreaking surge in artificial intelligence, a force rapidly transforming every aspect of our lives. But behind the curtain of innovation, a troubling concern looms. The quick pace of AI development could be outstripping our ability to ensure its safety, presenting a grave threat to humanity. Today, we delve into the dizzying rise of AI, exploring the near-term risks it poses. Artificial intelligence is not a distant futuristic concept. It's here and evolving faster than many experts predicted. In our quest for efficiency and progress, this technology now makes decisions once reserved for humans. From finance to healthcare, from communication to defense, AI is infiltrating domains critical to our societies. But herein lies a paradox. While AI is designed to enhance our capabilities, its rapid growth is a double-edged sword. Imagine a world where autonomous systems control traffic, utilities, or even military operations, and a glitch or cyber attack spirals into chaos. Consider AI-generated misinformation, appearing so authentic it blurs the line between reality and deception. These scenarios aren't just theoretical. They underscore how our reliance on AI is risky without solid ethical and safety frameworks. The capabilities of AI systems are advancing exponentially, while our regulatory and ethical oversight lags woefully behind. The potential for AI to surpass human intelligence leads us to an uncharted territory, raising questions about our capacity to control an intelligence that could theoretically outthink us. Our video isn't a prophecy of doom, but a call to action. It's essential that tech developers, policymakers, and society engage in a meaningful dialogue about AI. We must establish global norms, invest in robust safety mechanisms, and commit to transparency. Will we harness AI's potential to create a future of harmony and prosperity, or allow it to become a Pandora's box of unintended consequences? The answer depends on decisions we make today. As we stand on the cusp of a defining moment, we must ask ourselves, are we prepared to responsibly shape the future of intelligent machines, or will we let them shape our destiny without our control?